It's been a while since my buddy's been around. Gary's back from Spain and it feels like homebound. Him and Jill just landed, smiles ear to ear. Got that holiday vibe, nothing left to fear. Jill's in her flip-flops, ready for the sun, while Gary's dusting off the gear. He's pumped for some fun, riding through the valleys, kicking up the dust. With bikes and dreams, man, that's a must. Hey, it's Gary and Jill, back in the game, rolling with the crew, nothing feels the same. Riding through the trails under that Spanish sky, laughing with the best, oh my, oh my. We hit the dirt tracks, the wind in our hair. With every twist and turn, we haven't got a care. Olive groves around and hills in the rear, laughing all the way, bringing back that cheer. Gary takes a spill and yeah, we tease him right, but he gets up laughing, ready for the flight. Sunshine on our backs, a perfect kind of day with good friends alongside. We'll be riding all the way. Hey, it's Gary and Jill, back in the game, rolling with the crew, nothing feels the same. Riding through the trails under that Spanish sky, laughing with the best, oh my, oh my. Brilliant day all round, good friends and good times, making memories while keeping our rhymes. Gary's cracking jokes, Jill's tears fill the air. Life's a little sweeter when you're riding without a care. As the sun starts to set, painting skies red and gold, Gary right beside me, stories yet untold. Remembering our antics, oh, the roads we paved, with every mile we conquer, it's like we never cave. Together we ride with laughter as our guide, no better feeling than having Gary by my side. Hey, it's Gary and Jill, back in the game, rolling with the crew, nothing feels the same. Riding through the trails under that Spanish sky, laughing with the best, oh my, oh my. So don't leave it so long, come back and play, with bikes and banter every single day. Here's to Gary and Jill, our friendship's a treasure. In the heart of Spain we found our pleasure, riding down those trails, feeling bold and free. It's a beautiful life, just my bike, my friends, and me.